Once you have checked through all competitors in the Unpaid Outgoing Money tab, sort refunds by amount received by clicking the Amount Received heading, until all $0 amounts are at the top of the list. Select the Actions boxes in line with each of the $0 refunds, then scroll back to the top of the page, and select a payment type, then click the Apply button directly next to the drop-down. Next, select the Payment Status drop-down and select Paid, then the Apply button. These need to be marked as paid, as the bank will not accept the file if any $0 amounts are submitted, because it is not possible to pay out $0. Next, ensuring you are still in the Unpaid tab, scroll to the bottom of your page and select Show 150 entries. Scroll back up, and click the Select All checkbox in the gray rectangle at the top of the page, then, underneath, select the Download ABAR file button. This is a plain text file that will need to be uploaded to your committee's online banking. Once you have uploaded the ABAR to your bank, return to CampDraft 1 and mark all competitors as paid. This will send them an invoice via email so they know to expect their refund. Please call your bank if you have any questions about uploading your ABAR file.